Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So when we had traveled to Rajasthan, we had covered a package of around 25,000, which is per person. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you all the expenses and how you can plan a budget trip, which would be inclusive of everything, inclusive of your accommodation, your airfare, even your food as well as your travel. So let's start the video. So first and foremost thing which is very important with respect to your travel is how you are traveling to that particular place. So while we had traveled to the Marwar part of Rajasthan, we had booked return flight tickets from Mumbai to Jodhpur and return. And that flight had approximately cost us around 25,000 for three of us, which was by Air India. So now again, booking your tickets totally depends upon how soon you are booking your flight tickets. Otherwise, you will be spending too much of your expenses over the flights. So when you are booking your flight tickets, it totally depends upon whether you are booking a via ticket or whether you are booking a direct flight. So luckily we got a direct ticket, and this 25,000 is also for three of us. So again, because Jodhpur airport is also an army airport, so getting a direct flight is again a very good thing that happened to us. So first thing is flight tickets. We could have definitely saved. You can definitely save your money instead of traveling towards a flight. You can travel by road, or you can even travel by train. That is one of the major place where you can save your money. So first thing which we covered was our flight tickets. Second thing which I would like to share is the accommodation. So over here now we had a breakup basically with respect to the accommodation, which was a combination of hostels. So we had stayed into hostel at Jaisalmer as well as at Jodhpur. One night we had our accommodation inside the Sam Sand Dunes, and one night we had an accommodation in Bikaner, which was a part of a heritage property. So again, the combination of all this, and along with that, combining the road travel as well, which would start right away from Jodhpur to first directly till Jaisalmer, then from Jaisalmer to again furthermore covering a few more kilometers ahead, all the way till Longewala as well as Tanot Mata temple, and then further traveling towards Sam Sand Dunes, and then after that traveling all the way towards Bikaner, and again returning back and completing the triangle back at Jodhpur. So this was the entire round trip, including of that. So including our Bikaner accommodation, including our entire road travel from Jodhpur to Jodhpur, and also a specific package which comes for Sam Sand Dunes. So when you're going to have your accommodation in Sam Sand Dunes, I will definitely recommend you to take a package which is inclusive of your desert safari, which is inclusive of your jeep safari over there, as well as it comes as a package which they even include their cultural folk dance over there. So including that package, the total expense was around 35,000. So this 35,000 was inclusive of around one night stay inside the palace converted heritage property at Bikaner. So that one night stay, then the entire cost of the transportation, which was from Jodhpur to Jodhpur for the whole 7 days and 6 nights, and that one night accommodation of Sam Sand Dunes, including jeep safari as well as the camel safari. So 35,000 was that for around for all three of us. Second bifurcation within hotels I would share about Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. So Jaisalmer, we had a 2 night accommodation over there. So the cost of that was around 3,357, and the cost for around Jodhpur's hostel was around 5,597 for three of us. So again over here, both the places we spent around 2 nights and 3 days each. So this was that expense. and other than this, there were some minimal expenses of around 700 for the toll, around 1420 rupees for around the entrance fees wherever we had visited, as well as approximately 3000 for the food. So again, this 35,000 which we had spent, which was inclusive of Bikaner, as well as the car and the vehicle transportation charges, as well as the Sam Sand Dunes charges. This was even inclusive of dinner. So these food expenses which I'm talking about, which is around 3000, this was exclusive of the dinner for 2 nights. But again, food is also very much subjective. What you are exactly eating, what you are traveling, it totally depends upon that. So combining of all three of us, around 74,074 was the total expense, and when we divide it by three, approximately 25,000 is the per person cost. So this was the entire costing bifurcation with respect to your accommodation, your entire travel, the food, entrance fees wherever it is required, as well as the major thing, which is the airfare. Because now we are into lockdown, and we are really thinking about where to travel once everything is settled, which would take even more 6 or 7 months to normalize. But the first thing which matters a lot is your airfare, because if you are getting your flight tickets in a very reasonable rate, it totally affects your entire budget plan. So keep in mind, wherever you are traveling, the first thing which affects your entire budget is your airfare. So that is all for this video, guys. So within and this entire travel was of around 7 days and 6 nights, and comparing all the activities we did, all the accommodations that we had stayed into, 25,000 is really one of the reasonable package which I think about. So do let me know how the video was in the comment section below, and in case if you want to visit the entire journey, I have uploaded total 5 parts of the entire travel vlogs. The link I'll be putting in the description below. There is an entire playlist which I've created, which gives you the entire 5 episodes of all the 7 days and 6 nights. So thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.